Everyone, in today's video, I want to talk about the advantages of trading options over trading stock. So when most people think about trading stocks, they think of either penny stocks that you can use with a small account, but they're very volatile, or trading stocks, especially day trading, where you need a massive account, usually over $250,000 for the pattern day trader rule. And you're trading stock on a margin, which can be risky. Now, when you buy options, so buying calls and puts outright, the max you can lose is the initial premium that you pay for the option. And they don't require such a large account. In fact, with TD Ameritrade, Schwab, E-Trade, Robinhood, Webull, most of these brokerage platforms allow you to open up an account with as little as $2,000. Now, here's the major advantage. Let's say you want to buy 10 shares of Apple at $100. Therefore, that's going to cost you $1,000. If you have a small account, that can tie up most of your portfolio. But if you want to buy one call option of Apple, one call option represents 100 shares of stock. That call option is only going to cost you for $1, $100. So $1 multiplied by 100. And now you're controlling 100 shares of Apple stock, and let's say the stock goes up $5 in the next week. If you just bought the common stock itself, let's say you bought those 10 shares, well, you're going to make $5 per share or $50. But if you bought the call option for $1 and let's say that stock went up $5, that call may go from $1 to $2. Therefore, you just made $100 or doubled your money in that short time period, and your risk was only $100 instead of $1,000 that you would have had it tied up buying the stock itself. We'll talk about option trading and the advantages in other upcoming videos, but I want you to start digging deep in options trading because that's what professional and advanced investors and traders trade.